So today we are ranking YouTube footballers. Most of them are UK footballers because it's their game. Fair play to them. You know what? Let's just start. You know what? His ranking in foot mob. Damn. He's 28. Damn. One goal, one match, 0 red cards, 0 yellow cards. Position left mid. MP, yeah. One goal. Against AMP, his performance is decent, but they are also Americans, so they don't know how to play football like UK YouTubers. You know what? It's a decent performance. It's a very decent performance. So I'm gonna give him. You know what? Meh. Yeah, I think it is the very decent performance. I think no one should question it. Ask me like Bezinga. I think he is actually one of the best. Arguably he's in the top. I would give him top 8 in the UK, in the whole YouTube scene. I think I would give him top 8 in the whole UK YouTube scene in football. Bro, 8.9 rating, charity match, 79 minutes played, 1 goal, 1 assist. Man, crazy. The more successful passes, 25 out of 20. Man, pass accuracy 80.6%. You kidding me, man? I think he's in top. I think in top 8, he's one of my favorite. If you ask me to rank him, I think in the free kick and in the crossbar, I think he's the best. Not sure about the penalty, but if you ask me like in the crossbar, in the passes, and in the free kick, I would give him a solid, man. You know what? Very good. Chris MD, ladies and gentlemen. 1 goal, 2 assists, 9.11 rating. Crazy rating, by the way. Crazy rating. I would give it 9 out of 10. Is there any question? Bro, of course he's the greatest. Of course he's like top 3 in whole UK YouTube scene and arguably the best YouTuber footballer in my opinion. Of course, GOAT. Has to. 29 years old. Damn. 8.47. You know what? Very decent rating. Very decent. I think in the recent match, his goal was like, arguably, it was a good goal. In the recent charity match. But the penalty that he, if we talk about his penalties, then then we are talking something. I think very decent player. I would give him like, you know what? Very good. Danny Aarons, man. The recent father figure. 6.93 rating, damn. Yeah, 0 goals, 0 assists, 1 match, 50 minutes played. That's a lot of time, man. That's a lot. And still 0 goals, 0 assists. What can I say, man? I think meh. Yeah, he's a meh. You know what? AJ is better than Deji. Deji, man. Deji. 6.4. Nah, man. 6.5 rating. Nah. 35 minutes played. 0 goals, 0 assists, 0. Nah, man. Nah. Yeah. Never put boots on again. Yeah, man. Shoot sticks to girls. call them. I mean, Deji man, Deji. Philly. You know what? Young Philly. 2 goals. 8.74 rating. 72 minutes played. I mean, yeah, against Beta Squad versus AMP. I mean, like AMP, I really don't consider them because they don't play like football, right foot. Yeah, decent. The 2 goals, expected goals, assist. Yeah, you know what? Solid. I would give him solid. I mean, he runs crazy. The way he runs, I think the pace he has is crazy, man. He runs like Australian police are behind him. 0 goals, 0 assist. Yeah, just yeah, 1 shot. Yeah, 0 goals. Bro, he doesn't even have a rating. Nah. You know what, bro? Just stick to manager, man. Angry Ginge. Yeah. 6.4 rating. March 8, Sidemen FC. Beta scored 7.1. Bro, his tackle is very great. I mean, in the recent charity match, I saw him tackle Simon. Great tackle. Great energy, great tackle. I think he has something to offer. And for that great tackle, I think, you know what? I would give him a solid. HP, Harry Pinero. 5.5. Yeah, man. Just hang the boots, man. Yeah, never put. Yeah. Just done game. He's old, man. How old is he? 33 years old. Yeah, man. Yeah, you are not Ronaldo, man. Yeah. JME. Position left back. Damn. 7.49. Okay. 1 assist. 0 goals. Okay. Decent performance. Let's see his 2023 performance. Sidemen charity match. Oh. Okay. Decent. 7.49 rating in 2025 charity match. It's a decent performance. But if he score a goal, I think great, man. Great. I would give him like meh. Yeah. I think this is the best. Kai Cenat. Position striker, 7.1. I mean, the goal he scored in the recent charity match, I think it was just a given goal. I think I would consider that as a luck. If, to be honest, it was a luck. Bro, if the speed didn't pass him, he would have 0 goals in that whole match. And just due to 1 goal, I think 7.15 rating, I would just give him a decent, man. It was like a lucky. I mean, a goal that was given. It was a goal that was spoon-fed him. Yeah, you know what, man. Yeah. Better than. Yeah. KSI. Damn. 4.98 rating. Damn, horrendous. Yeah, he was a keeper in 2023 match. 6 save. You know what? Decent save. 54% saved. Clean sheets. The same in here. Bro, I think he's not a great footballer. He's just like, I mean, if we are just going by the, you know what, this confuses me now. Now I'm confused. Should I go with the charity match, the recent one, or should I go with their past performance? According to the recent charity match, yeah, man, he's with Deji, man. But if you go with the past football knowledge, like in the early days, he would have been very good, man. But you know what? Let's do a recent one. He should never put boots. And that's the best, man. That's the Manny. Is there any question, man? Manny? Come on, man. 8.49. Wrong rating. For me, he's a 9, man. In the recent Sidemen charity match, he did bits. And I think look at this, man. 2023, 9.71 rating. Crazy, man. Crazy. Always carries the Sideman in the charity match. For him, good. For me, he's a good. Nico Omolana, man. In the recent charity match, yeah, man, he's just a man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Shark 7.5 rated. Yeah. I think in the Chris MD video, I think he has done bits. If you ask me, in the recent Chris MD video, he has done bits. And for that, you know what? I would put him in meh. Yeah, above. You know what? Yeah, above this, and Nico above me. Yeah. Many Minter, yeah, man. Don't have to look up his stats. 9.4, man. 9.4 in the recent charity match. 1 goal, 2 assists. Played the whole game, man. Yeah. Has to be, man. Has to. You know what? Better than Chris MD. I show speed. Wo? 9.16 rating. 80 minutes played. Nah, man. You know what? His 1 goal and 2 assists. Yeah, I can see that. 2 assists. In the recent charity match, I think he did bits, man. He did bits. For me, he's a solid. Yeah, Theo Baker. Yeah, man. In the recent Sidemen charity match, I'm a fan, man. Genuinely, I'm a fan. The way he played in the recent charity match, it was great, man. 3 goals in a single charity match. I think that's the highest. If you ask me, I think he is the GOAT. Behind Manny, because he gets injured more. Yeah. Toby, man. Here we go. 8.5 rated. Yeah. I think, in the recent Sidemen charity match, I wanted more of him. I expected better from him, man. But I think, 8.5. I think it's a decent in the recent Sidemen charity match. But he's the GOAT, man. I have to put him. Because you lot would be against me. I have to put him. Next is Harry, man. Road to show. 4.70. Damn, man. Damn. 75 minutes played and 0 goals. 4.70 rating. Damn, man. Damn. I expected better from him, man. 75 minutes played, 0 goals, 0 assists. Yeah. He's old, man. He's old. But to be fair, you know what? He's just solid. I'm being very, very critical right now. And for me, he's just solid right now. Villainy, man. 6.79 rating. Better than Harry. Are we sure about that? 0 goals, 0 assists, 0 50 minutes played. I think this is due to his team won. So that is why I think, yeah. In the beta squad versus, yeah. Damn, 0 goals. In a match where everyone from the beta squad scored, he scored 0 goals. Yeah, in the 23, let's also watch 23 Sidemen charity match. 0 goals. Damn. 22. Oh, 1 goal. Okay, 22. He scored 1 goal. Yeah, but 6.79 rating. Yeah, just meh. He's just a meh, man. Yeah. So, that's it, man. Thanks for watching. Here is my list. I know some of you may agree and some of you may not agree, but I think right now the situation, I fully agree with this list. Thanks for watching. Thank you, and please subscribe, man. I only have 1 subscriber while I'm recording, so please subscribe.